All clear. Come on.
Peter, can you really fly?
I'll teach you.
Oh,
I'll teach you how to jump on the wind's back, and away we'll go! Wendy, when you're sleeping in your silly bed, you might be flying about with me, saying funny things to the stars. You just think lovely, wonderful thoughts, and up you go! I'm sweet, I'm sweet. I'm flying. Look at me way up high, suddenly here am I'm flying. I'm flying. I can soar, I can weave, and what's more, I'm not even trying.
Wonderful!
High up and as light as I can be. I must be a sight lovely to see. I'm flying. Nothing will stop me now. Higher still, look at how I can zoom around. Way up off the ground, I'm flying. I fly and I'm all over the place. You try and you'll fall flat on your face. I'm flying. Over bed, over chair, duck your head, clear the air. Oh, what lovely fun! Watch me, everyone. Take a look at me and see how easily it's done. I'm flying.
Teach us, Peter, please, teach us!
First, I must blow the fairy dust on you. Now think lovely thoughts. Think lovely thoughts. Think lovely thoughts.
Fishing?
Hopscotch.
Candy?
Picnics.
Summer? Candy!
Sailing. Flowers.
Candy!
Lovelier thoughts, Michael.
Christmas?
Flying. Like an owl, like a bat on the prowl. It's so satisfying. I'm whizzing.
Flying!
Through a cloud past a star. I'm so proud. Look how far I've risen. High over the moon. Higher I fly.